Hello everyone, welcome back to another latest video. In this video I'm gonna show you how to fix error loading tape to retry on YouTube on iPad. So let's get started without wasting any time. First of all, as you can see, as I open the YouTube app, it's showing error while loading tape to retry. So how to get rid of this problem? Go back to your home screen. There are four methods to solve this problem. So in first method, you have to open the settings app, and then you have to check your mobile data or Wi-Fi connection. If you are using mobile data, then check it whether it's strong or not, and if you are using Wi-Fi, then you have to check here at WLAN whether connection is strong or not, and go back and then check your YouTube. And if you are facing the same problem again and again, then go to the second methods, and in second methods you have to just turn off your device at least for 30 seconds and then turn it on again. And if the problem still is not solved, then go to the third method, and in this method you have to uninstall your YouTube app and then reinstall it. And if the problem still is not solved, then we adopt the fourth method, and in fourth method we open settings app and then scroll it down, and now tap on general and then again scroll it down, and then type on date and time. Here are 24-hour time and set automatically both toggles are off, so you have to turn both of these on. After turning these on, you have to check your device. As you can see, my YouTube app is working right now. So that's it for today video. Thanks for watching. Enjoy your phone.